Hey guys, welcome to the Meriton Suites Hotel here on Sussex Street. My name's Joel. I'm going to show you around. This is the room tour. So this is the bathroom here. You've got a shower, some nice oil body lotions, shower, shampoo, conditioner. You've got all your amenities that you need. Your fridge. In here you've got your laundry facilities. And a nice big TV. Quite a comfortable bed. You don't always get a guaranteed room view, but that's the room view I've got of the laneway. And this is Sussex Street, Meriton Suites Studio Tour 2022, which is almost over. You've got a nice couch here. And that's about it for my room tour. And you've got a nice table here. You can sit out, chill out. A cupboard there for some clothing if you need to pack some clothing. And yeah, Meriton Suites, Sussex Street, Aussie Guy Global Traveller. Staying here the next 2 nights. Really nice room actually. And Happy New Year guys. Happy holidays.